What is going on, guys? Emily here, and today I have a new video. Now, consistency has not been a thing, but I got some stuff. So there's a reason my hair is in space buns right now, and I actually need to take it out of these space buns because I just got off work. But I have coconut oil and what's in this box. So we're gonna open up this box. I'm gonna show you what I got, because today, ladies and gentlemen, is a day. It's a day. And we are going to bleach our hair. Well, here's the thing. I'm not bleaching all of it. I'm only doing half of my head. So first things first, I gotta take all of this out. I have about 1,000 bobby pins in my hair right now. Now the only thing that I'm scared of is I don't know if this is going to be enough to cover even half of my head, because I have a lot of hair, which you may or may not have seen, but like, I have a lot of hair. So they do come with gloves. Good, I needed them. So this is like the little cup that it has, so hopefully this will cover half of my head, hopefully. And then there's like instructions on the inside of the box, but we got to continue taking all this stuff out. Now that I have my hair brushed, I'm going to coat it with a layer of coconut oil to protect my hair. And I also got some purple shampoo for afterwards, just in case it turns out brassy, because I am going to put colors over this, but I want the colors to be as vibrant as possible. Now, I don't care if it's not completely toned, at least the top part, because the top part is going to be blue, and I'm not gonna go so much for my roots either, but I am gonna do it's going to be like an ombre, so it's going to be like blue, green, and then yellow at the end. So I'm really focusing on making sure that the ends are light enough for the yellow. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off and put the rest up, because I want to go from bottom to top, brushed out as well, so that there's no patchiness in it. And I'm probably going to fast forward this bleaching session, so I'm going to go ahead and mix it up and bleach my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and probably leave it in for half an hour to start and see where it is, and then I'll probably check it every few moments just to see how light it can get. Now, like I said, I don't necessarily care so much if it is patchy or if my roots haven't gotten it, because I really just want like a base for the colors. I don't care if it's completely blonde. If I have to, I can go back in. I get some more bleach and go back in, because I want to wait at least a week or so after I bleach my hair until I actually color it, because I kind of want to give my hair a rest because I have not bleached it in forever. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave this in and I will come back when I have it rinsed out. Alright, so it's been about 40 minutes with this in my hair. So I'm gonna take everything out. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it, and I'm going to be using purple shampoo on it. Now, like I said, I do know that it's definitely not the best job because up here is a lot lighter than what this is, but we're gonna go ahead and shampoo and condition this out, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I washed all of the bleach out and I used the purple shampoo and conditioner. I missed some up here, but that's fine. So overall, I am actually okay with how it turned out. I am gonna have to do another bleaching, just so I can get my roots for the most part and lighten up a little bit down here as well. But I think it turned out okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair with some more coconut oil and some argan oil, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry. So here is how the first bleaching went. I basically just braided my hair. I've got some oils in it so that it doesn't dry out. But here is how it went. I am going to be doing a second bleaching on the bottom half of my hair. My roots seem fine. I do need to fix some of them, like over here. But for the most part, I think it came out okay. I would definitely go out in public like this. So, yeah, I actually kind of like how my bangs are like integrating with each other, like right here. I kind of like how that looks. But yeah, so I will come back when I do my second bleaching, because I did order some more and it won't be here till Friday, which is in 2 days. So I'll show you the second bleaching when I do it. So basically I have re-bleached it. I didn't show the process, but this is how it turned out. It is a lot lighter than it was before. And I decided instead of doing blue, I am just going to do the green and yellow, and I am using Iroiro. And I gotta tell you something. This hair dye smells so good. Like, I don't know how they did it, but this is the best smelling hair dye I have ever used. But anyways, we're using the green and the yellow. I'll try and remember to link them down below if you want to use them. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put some gloves on, I'm gonna mix it all up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get to putting it on my head. So I decided to also bleach my eyebrows, but there's that. So we're going to keep it in for 30 minutes and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here is how my hair turned out. I'm pretty sure I got everywhere, but because of the patchiness of the blonde, it's a little rough, but honestly, I like it. Like this mixed with this. Also, I have some pieces over here because I'm trying to split, like actually split it in half, so whatever gets over here is just going to be re-dyed black, because I am going to re-dye this side of my hair. But here it is. The yellow actually turned out pretty well, I think. It's still kind of wet, but I did try and blow dry most of it. But yeah, this is how it turned out. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!